Hi, I'm Mateusz Ostafil, developer advocate at Alokai. In this video, I'd like to show you how Alokai helps developers deliver faster with the use of AI. AI has matured recently, but still, despite the hype, AI hasn't replaced programmers yet. That's because code generation tools fail at complex tasks. But we found the reason. AI coding assistants are trained on a very large set of various projects. Because of that, they know how to code in general, but don't understand the specificity of your project. Alokai is a framework for building storefronts. We have taught AI how to code with Alokai. We gave it a set of rules and best practices to deliver quality results. Let me show you how it works by letting AI develop a fully custom feature for me. In the following video, you will see how Coding Assistant develops a product comparison feature in just 25 minutes without me touching the code. Here I pass the initial prompt describing what features I want to implement and ask to start with the first step. Obviously, I've sped up the video to save you some time, but you can see the actual time in the bottom left corner of the recording. Great. After 2 minutes, the assistant generated Add to Compare buttons. Now I'll review the generated code to understand what's going on and whether it's up to my standards. The assistant has suggested the next step. Let's go with one of its suggestions. The last missing piece is a floating bar showing what products are added to comparison with the link to the comparison page. And the process goes on this way. AI generates the code, I review it and suggest some slight modifications. Here's an interesting part. The products disappear when I refresh the page. I know the solution, and as an engineer, I could ask the assistant to save the compared products to the local storage. However, I don't have to specify such implementation details. I prompt using a non-technical language, and AI assistant knows what to do. So far, all the changes were made only to the front-end code. Let's see how our assistant handles changes related to the middleware. I ask it to pull additional product data from the backend and compare products against them. Lastly, let's polish the UI slightly. And that's it. This is how you code with AI assistant. Basically, it does all the work for you, so you can do something more interesting. So here's the full implementation of product comparison page. Looks good to me. Stay tuned for more.